Two-factor authentication is something you know, like a password, and something you have, like a mobile device. Having a second item needed for access provides another layer of protection for your online accounts. Clemson University uses Duo for two-factor authentication to help safeguard systems with confidential information. When you log into a Clemson University system, you are prompted to enter your username and password. Then, you will be prompted on your mobile device to either approve or deny that access request. If this access request was something that you yourself just initiated, then you can approve the Duo prompt. But if you get a Duo prompt and you didn't just log in yourself and request a Duo authentication, do not approve that request, because it may mean that someone has compromised your Clemson account. Another tactic cybercriminals use is to send you several Duo approval prompts, one after another. They are hoping that you will get frustrated by the multiple prompts and approve one just to make the notification stop. But don't fall for that trick either. So remember, if you get a Duo authentication request that you didn't just initiate yourself, you should always deny it. And you should reset your password immediately, as well as contact the CCIT Support Center for assistance.